Hey everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. I just want to show you what I'm making today. These are a Flakemeal biscuit or cookie. The recipe comes from Northern Ireland and they're absolutely gorgeous. Now you can have them with or without chocolate, whichever you prefer. Alright everyone, let's start baking. Okay, we're going to start by placing porridge oats, plain flour, baking soda, salt and desiccated coconut in a bowl and give them a good mix so that they're fully combined. Set to one side while we mix the butter and sugar together. You can use margarine for this recipe either, I like to use Stork. When the mixture is nice and soft, just like this, we can start adding the dry ingredients a little at a time while we mix it in. Continue to do this until all the dry ingredients are mixed in. The mixture can get a little harder to mix, so I take a spoon and I bring it together with it. We can now get this onto some cling film and use your hands to shape it into a nice round shape. This amount of mixture will make 12 6cm size biscuits. Chill in the fridge for about 45 minutes. When it's ready, unwrap and place on a floured surface. Roll out until you have a thickness of about 4mm. The biscuit or cookie can now be cut out using a round 6cm cutter. Place on a lined baking tray and just leave a little bit of space between each of the biscuits. Prick each of the biscuits a few times with a fork. They're all ready, so bake in a preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. When they're baked, allow to cool for about 10 minutes before placing them on a wire rack to cool completely. If you like biscuits or cookies, check out my channel for a really nice recipe for a peanut butter cookie. Finish off by dipping the biscuits in melted milk chocolate. Adding the melted chocolate is optional. The biscuits are fab without the chocolate, but the chocolate does take them to the next level. Allow to dry completely before serving. These look lovely and no better way to enjoy them than with a glass of milk. These biscuits or cookies are really good, easy to make, so I really hope you try them out. Please check out my channel or page as there's lots of lovely recipes there, something for everyone. You'll find the full recipe in the description box under the video. Don't forget to subscribe or follow my page so you don't miss out. As always, thanks for watching and see you all soon. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy!